Well, it is a celebration of community and for community. Tickets are on sale now for the Frontier Health Foundation's upcoming event, Eunoia, a well-mined concert. Here with more on this unique event that raises money and celebrates mental health are Jennifer Teague Ritter, Director of Frontier Health Foundation, and Josh Moore with Frontier Health Marketing. Great to have both of you with us.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
We have to start with the name, because I've been asking you a million times. Am I saying that correctly? Eunoia. Where does that come from?
Well, it's a medical term. It means a well mind, and my wife actually found it in a medical book when we were looking for names for the concert, so it just fit really well.
And this is something you guys have planned this year, and a real celebration, but also to raise awareness. Tell me a little bit about the concert.
Well, I know that we wanted to do something that was more community focused, and you know, the foundation actually brings in money for Frontier Health, and instead of just doing, you know, something that we've always done, we wanted to kind of do something a little bit more rock and roll and a little bit different, that we could really engage with the entire community and everybody we serve. So a concert was something that we thought of that was outdoors, so it kind of goes with the territory with everything we're dealing with, and it just gives us all the opportunity to do something really, really fun, and also, you know, raise money and raise awareness for our programs and services.
And this is coming up not this Saturday, but next Saturday,
right.
And you're doing this at Cumberland Square Park in Bristol.
Yes.
So some really popular groups too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah,
Go ahead, you can do the
Winchester 49 and Drew Holcomb and the Neighbors.
Yeah.
So that's exciting. A lot of people have heard about them, and of course, big pull. And you said too, food trucks, and you really want families to come out.
Absolutely. We wanted to make our tickets affordable because that was one of the things that was really important to me. I mean, I have lots of kids and want to make sure that they could all the families could come. So our tickets are only $40, and your tickets don't pay for the concert. They actually pay for, you know, the money raised for the programs and services. So your ticket goes to a really great cause too. So that's really great.
And when you think about all the programs and the services that you guys provide, I think people don't realize how much is under that umbrella and how important those programs are.
Yeah, absolutely. This year we're specifically focusing on, you know, programs and services at Frontier Health that aren't covered by a grant or payer funded, like our Safe House Domestic Violence program. So that's one of our biggest ones that we're targeting for this concert.
And I know, Josh, you two work very well together. You do a podcast together, so that's why we wanted to have both of you on. So tell me a little bit about the podcast that you do and some of the topics that you cover.
We cover everything from substance abuse to domestic violence, you know, to just struggling with your mental health every day. It's called Impact Stigma, and you can find it on Spotify, iTunes, Amazon,
all kinds of stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, and we bring in local people.
Yeah. He gives me a hard time. Yeah.
I can see that, a little bit of that maybe. Y'all have some fun with it, but you said that's kind of part of it. You want to keep it more lighthearted, keep it more that people can relate to.
Yeah.
How important is that when it comes to finding ways to reach the community, reach those who are struggling?
I think if you speak to somebody where they are, instead of trying to talk to them up here, and you say, you know, if you've ever suffered with anxiety, that's a mental health issue. But it doesn't mean that it's a big bad thing, you know, so we can sit down and talk to somebody about something that everybody can relate to, and it kind of just, it takes down all the stigma, and it makes it feel a lot less, you know, it makes you not feel so nervous about talking about it, and it's a safer way to talk about it. So we just have a really great time. We talk about something that everybody can relate to, and we do it in a way that focuses on stigma around mental health.
Yeah, and I know for you, reaching the community, sharing those stories, is so important.
Yeah, it's real vital to our outreach.
Yep.
All right, well, we'll give everybody the information on the concert. Sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun.
It's going to be great.
And it is happening next Saturday at Cumberland Square Park over there in Bristol. You can get tickets at the event, so no need to buy them online. You can get them there. It is Eunoia, a well-mined concert. For more information, though, you can check out FrontierHealthFoundation.org. We'll be right back.